Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 27th, 2024. Already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. We have three puzzles left, the binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, it's the 4-star Sudoku number 9344. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this is a truly 4-star Sudoku because this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones, alright. We have here 3 twos, we have here 4 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 1 7, 2 eights, and 1 9. So the one and the threes are in majority. Can I start with 1? Yes, 1 in this third row, 1 in second row, so the first row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 in the last column, no 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 1. How about the 3s? 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. 3 in this last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. 2, 2. 2. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 7. 7. 4. 6, 6, 6. Come on. Need 2 here, need 2 there. Well. About the 5s then, no. Yeah. 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Need a 5 there. Let me go to the 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 there. And I need a 3 here, right? 3 here, 3 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have 6 and the 7 in the third column, no 6 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 6 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, that means 1 digit left in the third column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Well, so we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column now, only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this second column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 4 and 6 in this row, first row. So no 4 and 6 in this box. 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there, so 1 digit left. In this big square for number 8. I need a 4 there. 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 9. Do it for the 3s. Nope, need a 3 there, need a 3 there. 2 and 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So there. Need 3 there. Need a 5. The difficult part now. This is the difficult part. 8. 8. Need an 8 here or there. 5, 5. Need 5 there. I need a 2s here. 1, 5. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Here, 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. Okay. 2 there, need a 2 there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a pair here. Here, pair. Okay, so these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. Need a 5 here. 3, 3. Need a 4. 4, 3, 5. 2, no. 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 7, and a 6. 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 6, 5, and a 7. Yeah, need a 9 and 9 in one of those two boxes in the first row. 9 in the third row, so the row between only two places left for 9. Cube here, cube there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only two places left for 5. Cube here, cube there. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7. Need an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in row below. So last row, only 3 places left for 8 to be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 could be there. 8, 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. 8 could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 9. In this column, we need a 9. Here can be 9, we have a 9 last row, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be there. This can be 9, okay. 6, 7, 1. I need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these two boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Mark those two boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. Well. 1, 2, 3, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. So the only place level 9 in the middle column should be there. Okay, so we need a 9 there. Need 7 here. 7. 7. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 7. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there, we see another 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place level 7 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes elevated 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in last row, 7 in row above from that row. Only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 and the 6, we have 7 now in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, let me see, 4 and 6, I'm missing. You have all the 3s here, and all the 3s are used. I can see, this is number 2, number 3. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. 6 in this row, 6 in 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above from that row. Only place left the 6 should be there. I've marked this box with 2 on a 9. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 9. I've marked this box with 2 or 9. We have a 9 now, so this box should be a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with 2 and a 9. We have a 9 now. In this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on that column, the only place left, 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, on that column, the only place left, the 4 should be there. 4 and 8, we have 4 now in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square, I believe the 9. Yeah, 9 in this last column, 9 in the column next, so that column, the only place left 9 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square, for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finished in 17 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. This one I need 28. This one I need 17 minutes. Not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.